Hey there, Marcus here. I'm just gonna show a very easy, not really workflow. I'm just gonna basically show how you can create more accessibility on your website using text-to-speech tool. In this case, Elevenlabs that has really good quality. And this is gonna be the easiest version of creating this. There's gonna be videos in the future where you can create even podcasts or radio jingles and a lot cooler stuff, and it's completely automated. But in this case, we're just gonna take the easiest road where you want to create a basically human voiced MP3 version of your article, so that people that may not be able to read can listen to your article instead. Now I have copied an article here from Yahoo, but I kept it very short because the generation in Elevenlabs takes some time. And I don't want you to sit here and wait on a video where I have nothing to say while we're waiting, and I don't really have any editing software, so that would just be awkward. So as always, this is Drupal, vanilla Drupal installed. It's the AI interpolator suite, but in this case you just need the Elevenlabs module for this. If you want to know how to install it, set it up, there's videos in the description. Also, if you want to know more about the AI interpolator, video in the description. Everything is open sourced, everything is free. If you like what you see, you can just download it afterwards and set it up yourself. Of course, Elevenlabs is a service that costs money then. So let's get started. We log in as an admin or anyone with access to change field structures. We go to our content type article, go to the fields, and we add a new field. That is the Elevenlabs field. And this is gonna be audio version, we call this, right? So this is the audio version of our article. We just need one MP3 file. And we can save it like this. We're gonna go to manage display as well. So the Elevenlabs module comes with something called like a virtual player, which is one player that's playing multiple MP3s. Since if you create a dialogue, this will create multiple MP3s, but you might want to play this so it looks in the front end like it's just one. But in this case, we just have one file, so we can use a normal audio element. That's easier for accessibility reasons. We save that, go to our content, and then basically the only thing we have to do is copy the article into the text of the audio version, select a voice, and these are the voices you have in your Elevenlabs account. So you see I have my own voice here, for instance, but we're not gonna use that in this case. What we're gonna use is let's use the Freeman voice. So either you can click generate audio so you can preview it before you save it, or you can click save and it gets generated. I click on the generate audio so we can preview it before saving. Oh, and there was one thing more I should have done. I can do that in a new tab. So if we go back to our content tab, we want the audio version to show up before the actual article as well. So let's see here if we can get the audio file. So it does take some time to generate the audio. There are also, I can show you while this is happening, if we go to content type article and we manage the form display. So that's what you see here basically. In the audio field, you can basically show advanced field, and there's some knobs, some sliders that you can tweak there, so you can make it faster or make it slower and more realistic. So now you see it's finished here. So we can play a little bit.
Apple's iPhone 15 Pro Max was supposed to take the world by storm.
So you hear it there, but we save first so we can see it in the article. We go to the article and we have the audio version here. We can go.
Seemed to solve its thermal problems. It came at the expense of performance, as A17 benchmarks dipped following the update.
This is a very narrative voice, so it's actually horrible for article. Was not a good choice, but you get the idea, right? So that's how you can use AI to create audio on your articles. Thank you for watching.